In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the ribbon in New Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to surface the commands you use most, organize them into groups, and keep your mail experience clean and efficient. Start by launching the New Outlook app on your Windows PC. Make sure the simplified ribbon is turned on. You can toggle this using the small downward caret in the lower right corner of the ribbon. This view is designed to show only your essentials and works best with customization. Next, switch to Mail and choose the tab you want to customize, either Home or View. Your changes will be applied to the tab you pick here. Now open the customization tools. On the right side of the tab you're targeting, click the three dots labeled More Options, then select Customize. A customization pane will open, and at the top of that pane you'll see a live preview of your ribbon. As you make changes, you'll see them reflected immediately, which makes it easy to fine-tune the layout before you commit. To add commands, look under the Buttons section. Tick the boxes for the buttons you want, such as Rules, Meeting, or Block Sender. As you select them, they appear in the preview. You can rearrange the order by clicking and dragging buttons within a group or even moving them to another group. Use the preview to confirm the placement feels natural for your workflow, prioritizing the actions you use most often. If you want more structure, manage your groups. Click Add Group in the Groups section to create a new container for related commands. Use the pencil icon to rename it so it's clear at a glance, then drag the group to the exact spot you want on the ribbon. Fill it with the buttons you've enabled. If you change your mind, hover over a group and click the trash icon to remove it. Keep in mind that deleting a group here can't be undone unless you perform a full reset later. When everything looks right, click Save in the bottom right of the pane to apply your changes to the mail ribbon for the currently selected account. At the bottom, you can also control how labels display. Choose Show Labels as Space Permits, Always, or Hide Always to balance clarity with screen space. If you ever want to start fresh, select Reset All Changes in the lower left to return to the default ribbon. Thanks for watching.